Hello. I have so many conversations in my coaching calls and in my workshops, and it looks like that being kind is still seen as a weakness. That's crazy. Let's take a closer look at that. People seem to think that when you are kind, others take advantage of you, and that's why I would like to put a different spin on it. Did you know that being kind is one of the things that mentally strong people do? They are kind because they know that kindness makes you a much stronger person when you don't allow yourself to give into your insecurities. Kindness helps you with lessen anxiety, negative self-talk, and perfectionism. Being kind boosts serotonin and dopamine, which are neurotransmitters in the brain that give you feelings of self-satisfaction and well-being. How awesome is that? Here are a few examples of kindness. Be interested in the people around you. Stay connected and listen. Offer a helping hand. Be patient even when things don't go the way you want. Smile, because a smile is contagious. Say hello, please, and thank you. Give a sincere compliment. Forgive a mistake. Remember to give praise. And last but not least, be kind to yourself. It is mission impossible to be kind to others if you cannot be kind to yourself. The Dalai Lama used to say, "Be kind whenever possible, because it's always possible." This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.